the oldest park in Taipei. Hey, hi, how you doing? Sal?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
You walking around,
Yeah.
relaxing? Have a look here. He said, oh, do you want to play? I said, play what? He said, you know, play. A lot of protesters unfortunately got shot. The 228 Park, or Peace Park as it's now known, the oldest park in Taipei, established in the Qing Dynasty, which was a very long time ago. It's got a political past and a quite weird, wonderful, maybe strange present, which I'm going to go into in this video. So as you can see, it's a beautiful day on this November day. It's November, the sunshine is gorgeous, the weather is amazing. And I'm going to talk you through the great past, or not so great past, of the Peace Park. So between 1920s and 1940s, or late 1940s, there was a political party in China, the KMT. Now, the KMT is Chinese nationalists. After the Civil War, they moved to Taiwan, and they was in power in Taiwan, 1947. A lot of corruption going on, a lot of civil unrest, and there was a huge load of people. Everyone's saying good morning, good morning. Or maybe they wasn't saying good morning. I thought I was still in the Philippines and popular. So going back to what I was saying, there's a lot of civil unrest, people unhappy with the KMT government, who then moved to Taiwan and was in place in the government at the time. So remember, it's the kind of pro-Chinese nationalist party who's in charge of Taiwan at the time. Now there was a huge group of protests outside the police department in Taipei, and a lot of protesters unfortunately got shot. So the very next day, that was on the 27th of February, very next day, 28th of February, there was a big protest held in this park here. So during the protest, the KMT, the government in place at the time, then unleashed the military, to basically clear all the protests up. So that is why there's a national holiday, 28th of February now, and the park is now named 228 Park. So 2 being February and 28 being 28th of February, in some kind of remembrance for what happened. So look, anyone who's into politics, you can read the long, not so nice history of the politics between China and Taiwan, and that sheds a little bit of light onto things as well. And interestingly now, obviously KMT are still present in the country as I'm speaking. So that's the past. Oh, it's so peaceful. Like the location here, you're just across the road from NTU Hospital, and you're not far away. You can probably walk there, depending how fast you are at walking, 5 or 8 minutes walk to CKS Memorial. So really nice location. Quite early for some people. It's 8:30 what now, so not very busy. Sometimes you can see here, I came here one day with my son when he was smaller at the park, and there was some kind of I don't know, bodybuilding or physique contest going. So you had a load of guys, a load of Taiwanese guys walking around in their little trunks, basically just walking around the park. I'm with my son, who was like 2 years old at the time, at the park, and you got all these guys walking around in their trunks, which was quite fun. Some good bodies. So now there's a lot of memorials in place in the park. There's one here back now. I'll go around the front of it so you can have a look. And yeah, great location. And this is something you can do in Taipei for free. It costs nothing. There's some amazing parks around Taipei, many of them with some meaning behind them. Da'an Park is a large park in Da'an area. This, if you come to NTU Hospital MRT on the red line, you'll get to Peace Park here. Now, Oh, this is a great thing. I did know what this piece of artwork was for, but I forgot. Have a look here. I come round the front, maybe there's a sign or something to see what it's about. Oh yeah, I'm not going to read this. Let me take you out a little bit further so you can have a look. So coming back to the present day, word has it that there's some interesting ongoings in the evening times at this park, at Peace Park. Now, normally I'd say, look, don't shoot the messenger. However, I've had some first-hand experience with this, which was entertaining, but for some people could be a little bit scary. And look, Taiwan on the whole is very, very safe. But you just do have to be a little bit careful. Some people are more open-minded than others. So I was here one evening having a run, and you might think, yeah, that's what he's saying. But really, he's just hanging out there. No, really, I went for a run, and I just sat on the bench, put on some more mosquito spray at the time. By the way, if you are walking around, although there's not mosquitoes around, you get like little black gnats, and you need the specific spray for black gnats, or like little black dot mosquito things. So annoying. So yeah, I was sat down. Here we go. People at peace. So here's a memorial here. So I was sat down on a bench, and a guy came and sat next to me, and he said, how you doing? I said, yeah, good, just running. You know, just polite. People come and chat to you. Polite thing to do. And me not knowing kind of the vibe of Peace Park at that time. And he said, oh, what are you doing now? I said, I'm just running. He said, oh, do you want to play? I said, play what? He said, you know, play. I said, no, mate, no, I'm not playing, dude. And then I just politely walked away. Then it kind of registered on me, his demeanour. And look, you shouldn't judge people, but you get some kind of perception of some people that I kind of grasped what kind of play he was talking about. And in the past, we've gone to some forums or you talk to some foreigners. Other people have certain experiences as well. Some more wonderful experiences like this. However, it is a great park where a lot of people, especially expats or foreigners, meet up as well for some social events. It's really, really nice area. Yeah, actually, if you go out this gate here, let's just go for a walk. This is the road to, I think so, unless I've just got everything totally mixed up, towards CKS. Maybe I've just gone the wrong way. Look at this, nice clear day, beautiful view. Yeah, I've gone the wrong way. And that's a November day in Taipei. Beautiful. So, look, and people who don't want to pay for gym membership, they've got all sorts of stuff you can do here. Not just running. Yeah, so it is a great area as well for people to come to meet up for social gatherings, social events. And hey, look, if you want a little bit of interest and randomness, come at night time as well to Peace Park. But what a great location. You can hear all the birds, there's some squirrels around as well. Everything's just at peace, everything's safe, everything's calm. Absolutely lovely. This is a place to be if you want to get bitten by mosquitoes, anywhere near water. The water's not looking too clean. I've seen it looking nicer. There's a bit of wildlife here. Previously, they've had nice fountains spraying out the rocks. A lot of birds everywhere. And now it just looks like somewhere back in England, unfortunately. I know that there are different times in the day that the water looks green. There are different times in the day when the fountains come on. Oh yeah, you can see they used to have trout in here. Not that I'm a fish specialist, but I know what trout is. Let's have a look over the bridge. No, the water's looking so dirty. There's a couple of turtles or toys. No fish anymore. Okay, I'm walking around here because there is a museum. I think it's the railway museum. Why is the water gone green? Oh, there's some people doing some foreigners doing some self-defense or maybe Tai Chi. Or with their man buns, looking pretty cool. They're looking chilled. Yeah, this is some old trains. Steam locomotive number 9, Taiwan Railway. Probably can't see. I'm just thinking that big monument that I didn't know what it was, maybe that's a Peace Park monument. It shows my naivety. I've been here 11 years. I don't even know what that big monument is. It's probably the main Peace Park monument, which is bad on my part. Hey, hi, how you doing? Is that out?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
You walking around?
Yeah.
Relaxing?
We will go to visit here.
Oh, you will go here?
Yeah.
All right, but are you from Taipei?
No, we're from Taiwan.
Oh, from Taiwan,
Yes,
not far. Not far.
A little bit, but
Yeah,
it's okay.
I've been to Taiwan. Sorry, is it okay to?
Yeah, it's
Is it
okay. It's okay.
Right.
Fine.
From Taipei, where the airport is, not far. Not far. I've been in Taipei 11 years.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you speak Chinese?
Yeah. Very bad.
Oh.
Like a child. But your English is good. You went how?
So.
No, everyone says so, but we're talking now. At the back of the park, we have a National Taiwan Museum. So they have different things going on here, different events. And yeah, a lot going on. I just met some nice people from Taoyuan, what you saw. Now, Taoyuan basically is just on the outskirts of New Taipei City. You can now get there on the, not new, but one of the latest metro lines, the Purple Line, which takes you from the center of Taipei into the Taiwan National Airport, Taoyuan Airport. This is a pretty cool arch. Really, really nice. Seriously, even if you're not into parks or whatever, just walking around with this culture, with the birds, since the squirrels walking around. Peace Park, renamed Peace Park in 1996 actually. Beautiful. So yeah, that's a tour of Peace Park. I'm gonna get back to the MRT. Another good thing is we've got 2 metro exits right on the side of the park. So really easy to travel around as well. You get a lot of homeless people what hang out here. Okay, some Christmas times I come and give some things to the people here. Hey, we can walk across here. Now again, unfortunately, this is yeah, the water isn't looking great. Used to be able to see a lot of fish here. Peace Park, very peaceful. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for the next video. Remember to subscribe, give it a like if you want to. Call me a bold idiot if you want to in the comments, everything's appreciated. Take care, stay cool.